Hello there and welcome to my channel. Often when one's working with database, you have to create your own data to be able to do testing. So let's say in Excel you need random names generated. Combining Excel with Python programming can save you huge time. So let me give you an example in this video of how to create random names for testing in a Excel database. So let's go and open our idle to start our script. Let's just close all these files here. So we start from the start as if we've got nothing. So we open idle. New file. Alright, so let's first import the libraries we're going to need to create these fake names. So the first one we're going to need is pandas. The next one we're going to need is the faker module to create the fake names. So from faker import faker, instantiate faker. And now we create our data. So we're using list comprehension. So we want fake dot name for in range. How many names shall we generate? 10,000. Let's do that. Get the spelling right here. Now we create our data frame so we can export it to Excel. So our data frame equals bd dot data frame. We want the data in it, and we want column to put a column header. Let's just call it name. And now we put this transfer to Excel, export it to Excel. We're going to call an Excel file name, we'll call it fake name. .xlsx. And we don't want an index. Alright, we open the areas. Let's run our script. Let's call it, let's put it, we remember to delete it afterwards. Let's call the script fake name as well. Okay, no errors. Let's go to our Excel file. Fake names created, 1152. You can see it's created now, according to same as my time here, same as the script. So there are your 1,000 names created. You can go to the bottom, 1,000 names. You can create 200,000 names if you want. You know, when you're teaching yourself database, it's very useful to be able to create this fake data. So let's go and create 200,000 names. It's as simple as changing this figure here. Might take a couple of seconds longer because we're really putting pressure on it, on our system now. So let's give it time. It's done. Let's go to open the Excel file again. Desktop, delete folder, fake name, 1153. 250,000 fake names created. There's 20,000. Okay, I lied. Let's change that figure to 200,000. Don't save. Go back to our script. Oh, sorry, 20,000. Made 200,000. Run it again. I thought it's a bit quick for 200,000, so it does take a little bit longer, but not much longer. So that's how powerful it is. As I say, to teach yourself database, you want to be able to create fake data all the time. So it's a useful skill to have, and combining with Python can save you huge time. So I'm trying to fill in the time here before the script runs. I've got pressure on myself. But let's see how we can see if it's nearly done. So we give it a few more seconds. I've got faith in Python and Excel together that they won't desert me and take too long. Alright, let's go to open the Excel file. Delete folder, 1154, 1154. Widen our column, go to the bottom, 200,000 names created. So that's about all for this video. If you like what you see, please click the like button below and subscribe to receive future videos, and thank you for watching.